Stamped concrete versus pavers, maintenance battle. Let's go through the important details. Beginning with stamped concrete versus pavers, maintenance battle. Quick answer: concrete beats pavers for most driveways. Concrete costs 10 to 13 per square foot versus 15 to 25 for pavers, requires less maintenance, and handles heavy loads better. Regarding stamped concrete versus pavers, maintenance comparison. Maintenance requirements differ significantly between stamped concrete and pavers. Stamped concrete needs resealing every 2 to 3 years. Pavers require resanding and weeding every year. Understanding the maintenance reality helps you choose based on your willingness to maintain your investment. On stamped concrete maintenance, reseal every 2 to 3 years. Stamped concrete maintenance is relatively simple but necessary. Moving to maintenance requirements, reseal every 2 to 3 years. Sealing costs vary significantly by project size, sealer type, and application method, typically approximately 2 to 6 plus per square foot depending on your specific project requirements. Next, maintenance process. Clean surface thoroughly. Additionally, apply sealer according to directions. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.